In this video, I'm going to share what it's like to order a meal on a train using Zomato as I travel from Chennai to Bengaluru in the Lal Bagh Superfast Express. Now let's begin my journey in Chennai right outside home.
Late.
Then, as I was cruising in an auto, two buses collided.
This is such a wrong time for this to happen. I was anyway running late.
Somehow managed to reach Chennai Central Station on time, and after checking the platform online, I thought I was
Just about making this train.
but ended up on the wrong platform and almost on a whole different train. Thankfully, my train was in a platform close by, and after walking all the way to the front, I finally boarded the AC chair car. Before even I could settle my bags, the train left the station. Chennai skies was a vibe that day, and after I settled down, to my right, my neighbors had carried fried chicken. I was very tempted but controlled my shameless self from asking for a bite. I instead opened Zomato. It asked for my PNR, then showed me stations I can order from, followed by a list of restaurants, and then the usual. Select dishes, place the order, and delivery address. The app on its own picked up the train, seat, coach, and station. After that sorted, the TTE dropped by, I got some work done, watched water bodies and trains go by, followed by some train wala chai.
Watered down and strong, but a bit sugary.
Then, as I tried sleeping, crying babies were getting to me, so I had to give up on sleep, but a little later arrived at Katpadi where the men in red were waiting with my order. After taking delivery, I quickly unwrapped the packaging to dig into my burger.
Crunchy fried juicy chicken, soft bun, so good.
Spent the next 5 minutes devouring the burger, and I have to tell you, this kind of food on a train hits different. I also got myself a dessert and a bite or two in.
Really moist cake, the mousse is nice and smooth. Big thumbs up.
To digest all that food, I started pacing up and down the coach. When the train stopped, I paced up and down the platform too. And also, it only stops so that the Vande Bharat can overtake us. Afterwards, I used the washroom. It's the worst I've used in a while. Oh my god, it stank. So I had to get some air afterwards. I love the wind in my face, it's so fun. Now back to the walking, I ended up adding only 4,000 steps to my tally, and it was 8:30, which only means one thing. Time for dinner. Opened the fried rice and chicken chettinad gravy that I also ordered and received at Katpadi. First up, the fried rice.
It's gone a bit cold, but the flavors are on point.
Then I took some of that curry, added it to the fried rice and gave it a go.
Chickeny spicy chettinad curry with the fried rice. Insane combination. That is so good. If this is the kind of food that I can eat on a train.
After that satisfying meal, I went and measured the speed in which we were traveling, then plugged in for some music. Folks started getting ready to leave, so even I did. We reached Bengaluru around 15 minutes late, but when I stepped out,
Hey, it's raining!